Hi everyone, welcome to Snappyit. Today, I'll show you how to turn a single jewelry product photo into polished professional visuals, and even place it on realistic AI models for stunning, fashion-ready images. No studio, no manual retouching, and no complicated tools needed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create high-quality jewelry images and viral-ready try-on visuals in just a few clicks. First, let's start with jewelry retouching. Step 1. Upload. Go to the jewelry retouching tool and upload your jewelry product photo. This can be a simple photo taken with your phone. No special setup required. Step 2. Choose style templates and image quantity. Next, select a style template that matches your brand aesthetic. Choose how many images you want to generate. Step 3. Decide between basic or pro mode. Basic is great for quick enhancements, while Pro delivers more refined, high-end retouching results. Step 4. Click Generate. In just seconds, your original jewelry photo is transformed into a polished, ready-to-use professional image. Now let's bring your jewelry to life with AI models. Once your images are generated, you have two ways to continue. You can click the Jewelry Try-On button located below the generated images, or simply use the top navigation bar to switch to the Try-On feature. Step 1. Choose a model. First, select an AI model from the library that fits your brand style or target audience. Step 2. Select image quantity. Step 3. Click Generate, and within seconds, your jewelry will appear naturally worn by realistic models, perfect for marketing campaigns, product pages, and social media content. These visuals help customers better imagine how the jewelry looks in real life, which can significantly improve engagement and conversions. With Snappyit, you can go from a single product photo to fully retouched images and on-model fashion visuals, all in one seamless workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out Snappyit to start creating your own jewelry visuals today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.